In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Shopify theme without losing any of your precious content. If you're looking to give your online store a fresh new look, or just want to update your current theme, but you're worried about losing all the hard work you've put into your site, don't worry. I've got you covered with a simple step-by-step guide to make this transition as smooth as possible. To start, you'll want to log into your Shopify account. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the Shopify admin dashboard. This is your control center for everything regarding your store, so it's important to know your way around here. On the left-hand side of the dashboard, you'll see a menu. From this menu, you'll want to click on Online Store. This is where all your theme-related options are housed, so it's a crucial area to become familiar with when making changes to your store's appearance. Once you've clicked on Online Store, you'll see a drop-down menu. From this menu, click on Themes. This is the section where you can browse through various themes, both free and paid, and decide which one best fits the aesthetic and functionality you're aiming for. Now, you've arrived at the Themes page. Here, you'll find your current theme displayed at the top, followed by a list of other themes you've added but not yet published. To change the theme, you'll want to click on Customize or Edit Theme, depending on what you see. This action won't make any changes just yet, so it's safe to explore and see exactly what your options are. When you click Edit Theme, it's important to remember that this is where you'll make adjustments to the new theme before it goes live. This feature is incredibly useful because it lets you see exactly what your store will look like with the new theme without affecting your current live theme. As you work on editing your new theme, take your time to ensure that all your content, such as product descriptions, images, and navigation settings, are displaying correctly. This is a key step to ensure that your transition is seamless and that your customers have the best experience possible when browsing your site. Once you're satisfied with the changes, go ahead and publish your new theme. It's worth taking a final moment to review everything and make sure that all your content has carried over smoothly. And there you have it. With these steps, you can easily change your Shopify theme without losing any content. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful. If you found it useful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks for managing your online store. Happy selling!